What's up, Tech Gang? Stefan here from TechRight. Today we're going to be talking about the new release of the Motorola Moto G52. Stay tuned. Alright everyone, hopefully you guys are having a good day. Hopefully everyone out there is safe. We have an article here from Financial Express. It says the Motorola G52 launched with Qualcomm Snapdragon 680 chip and Android 12 coming soon to India. Now I don't know if this is going to be coming to the US. Hopefully it does end up coming to the US. That would be really cool. But it says the Moto G52 is launching first in select markets in Europe. But Motorola has confirmed the phone will arrive in India and Latin America in the coming weeks. So if you guys are in those countries, you guys are 100% getting this device. Now it says Motorola has launched a new budget phone called the Moto G52 in Europe. The Moto G52 might appear to be straight up a successor to the Moto G51, but things aren't that simple, even though it's got slightly better specs in some areas. So if we scroll down right here, it says the Moto G52 is launching first in select markets in Europe, but Motorola has confirmed the phone will arrive in India and Latin America in the coming weeks, as we said before. The Moto G52 price, it says the Moto G52 has been launched at a price of a European $249 or roughly 20,600 RS in India, I believe that is, for a version with 4 gigabytes of RAM and 128 gigabytes of internal storage. Pre-orders start later this month in Europe. Now, as far as the specifications, it says right here, Moto G52 specs and features. The Moto G52 comes with a 6.6-inch 1080p AMOLED display with a 90Hz refresh rate. Under the hood, the phone has a Qualcomm Snapdragon 680 system on chip, which is paired with 4 gigabytes of RAM and 128 gigabytes of storage. This is expandable, so we will be able to expand this via micro SD card. Rounding off the package, we have a 5,000 milliamp battery inside of this device. That's really good. We have a beefy one right there, and we have support for 30-watt charging. That's insane on a budget phone. That's really good. Onto the cameras, the Moto G52 comes with a triple rear camera setup with a 50 megapixel main, 8 megapixel ultra wide, and another 2 megapixel macro sensor. Nice. So it says on the front, the G52 comes with a 16 megapixel selfie camera. Hopefully those are some good cameras. I know that they've been getting better and better with these budget phones. It says the G52 has an all plastic body as well, which is something that I'm pretty sure we saw coming. It's also touted for its IP52 water repellent rating. It will come in 2 colorways, charcoal gray and porcelain white. So you guys get light and dark, the yin and the yang. It also says biometrics are handled by a side-mounted fingerprint sensor. So nice. I always love the side-mounted fingerprint sensors, especially on the A13 5G. Love that. I believe they use that on the newer Motorola budget devices as well. I think that's what they're going to be using from now on, at least for this year. It says the phone comes with near stock Android 12 software, so that's really good. We also have dual speakers with Dolby Atmos support, so that's good. We got the stereo speakers going on here. It also says in other news, Motorola recently launched the Moto G22 in India at a price of 10,999 RS. This is 4 gigabytes of RAM, 64 gigabytes of internal storage. The Moto G22 has a 6.5-inch 90Hz IPS LCD display with a 720p resolution and hole punch cutout at the center. It has a MediaTek Helio G37 chip paired with 4 gigabytes of RAM and 64 gigabytes of internal storage. Pretty decent for the price tag right there. This is expandable, so you can expand it via micro SD card. I love that Motorola is doing that, and Samsung did that with the A53, which is the phone that I have right here. They did that this year. Absolutely loving that we're able to expand now. That's good. Software is ad-free, near stock Android 12 powering the Moto G22 is a 5,000 milliamp battery. At that price tag, that's really good, with 20-watt fast charging. So that's pretty decent, honestly. That's pretty decent. For photography, you get a quad camera setup on the rear with a 50 megapixel main, 8 megapixel wide, and two megapixel cameras. 2 of them, one for macros and another for depth. On the front, it has a 16 megapixel camera. So pretty good stuff we're seeing here from Motorola. Hopefully these phones do come to the US because of that expandable storage, the 30-watt fast charging as well. That's another really cool thing. Do you guys want these phones to come to the US? Tell me in the comment section down below. And are you interested in either the G52 or the G22? Really cool stuff right here. It seems like the G52 is more of a mid-range device right there, but pretty decent handsets from Motorola coming out, and I believe they said like 19 phones are coming out this year, so that's really, really cool. But yeah guys, let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below. If you did enjoy this video, please leave a like down below as well as subscribing if you're not a part of the Tech Gang already. Also hit the notification bell to be notified every time I do upload a new video. This has been Safan from TechRight. Peace out, Tech Gang.